Now let's see, let's type VI practice. So what happened was it undid that change that we did, brought us out. Now we have to type in VI practice again to get back into that file. But as you can see, our text is still there because it did not commit that or save that change that we made of that delete. Because it was never saved. Right, if you ever want to view the help documents in the VI editor, one way you can do that is escape for command mode, very simple, colon, help, boom, there you go. Everything you'll need to know about how to use the VI probably explains it much better than I was able to. But as you can see, you got your move around, use the cursor keys, or H, J, K. Basically they're giving you a little diagram here that shows you, what the HJKL does. Close the window, get out of VM, you can use that right there like we did earlier. It says changes are lost, so we already discussed that. Jump to discussion, control whatever you want. But yeah, there's all your information. They've got a little different few things here, how to get into insert mode, visual mode, command line editing, search for help. That tells you what it stands for even, who it was made by. So this is a pretty handy little document. If you ever get lost or you're just curious or interested, you can check that stuff out. And then here they've got some different text files that you can check out that are built within your bash module here. Using the GUI, making big changes, recovering from a crash. That's probably a good one to check out. Clever tricks. There's all sorts of stuff in here you can look at. Very handy. Let's see. I even got some stuff for scripting down here. Let's see, they had debugging VIM itself. Do not want that. Yeah, all sorts of stuff in there to take a look at. Help you out with your endeavors in VI. Alright, and to get out of that I just typed in colon lowercase q, brought me back to my VI practice file. Alright, so we saw that the VI editor can be used to create text files. Very simple text files, but the editor can also be used to create scripts or working programs. It's fun stuff. So let's get out of this. We'll take a look at some of the different ways you go about creating a script or a program using the VI editor. Let me see here. I have some scripts written. Let's go to homework. Alright. So let's see. Let's take a look at one of these scripts that I have written. Alright, this is a simple script. It takes user input for the length, width, and number of drawers they want to be used on a drawer, on a desk drawer for a bedroom or something to store clothing and whatnot. But basically pretty simple. And one thing whenever you're doing scripting or writing a program in a bash shell up here, right here, you need to identify that you are going to be using the bash shell, born again shell, for writing the program for the script. I'm not going to get too in-depth on scripting because this tutorial is about the VI editor. I just want to show that it can be used to create a script or a program, but simple. This is a parameter up here, pragma. It's just used to make some local settings to the program so certain things can be done and can't be done. Pretty basic. Declaring variables there. We got our main, our different modules that we're going to be calling. Input validation, blah blah blah. There's some modules that get called within the main. They each do a different thing. And then here's our output. This is what's being outputted. Obviously, this is all the order information and then the price. So let's see if we can take a look at how this works. Alright, I already have my bash profile and RC set up to allow me to just run these bash scripts just by typing in. Usually you would have to make the file executable with a .sh, and you'd have to run it like that, but I can run it just by typing it in like this, and I only have permission on it. Let's see. Alright, I have to type in chmod uao plus rx to make that executable. Should work now. Let's see. 1, please. Okay, so I typed in shell 1. I gotta enter my order number. I just want 1. My name, Joe Schmo. And clearly there's a error in that code. Oh well. Let's see. We want 45 inches, 54 in width. I'm gonna get the type of wood type, or the wood type here. I want oak. I want 2 drawers. And here you go. It's printing out my order information. My order is number 1. My name is Joe Schmo. Length of the desk, blah blah blah. The wood type is 1, which was for oak. 2 drawers. The total price is $435. The program is a little more complex than that. I didn't get to show it to you, but it calculates how many drawers, the type of wood, length and the width, and it calculates all that and get your final price. But yeah, it's basically, you know, VI editor. You can make programs, and that's how they kind of look and run. Pretty basic, kind of ancient. There's definitely far better ways to do things than that. And that's it. That's your VI editor tutorial. Hope this helped you out a little bit. Remember to use that help command while you're in the VI editor. There's plenty of good information in there, probably a lot better than what I could give you, but again, I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching.